Google is a multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products. It was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were Ph.D. students at Stanford University. The company has since grown to become one of the largest technology companies in the world, with its headquarters located in Mountain View, California. The founders of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, first met at Stanford University in 1995. They were both working on their PhD projects, and they started collaborating on a search engine called Backrub, which used links to determine the importance of individual web pages. Backrub eventually evolved into what we now know as Google. The name Google is a play on the word googol, which is a mathematical term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. The name reflects the company's mission to organize the vast amount of information available on the web. Google makes most of its money through advertising. The company's primary source of revenue is its advertising platform, Google AdWords, which allows businesses to place ads on Google's search results pages and other websites. Google also makes money through its cloud computing services, Google Cloud, and its hardware products, such as the Google Pixel smartphone and the Google Home smart speaker. There are several ways to make money with Google. One way is to become a Google AdSense publisher. AdSense is a program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying Google ads on their sites. Another way to make money with Google is to create and sell apps on the Google Play Store or to create and sell products through Google Shopping. Google has several planned projects and initiatives that it is working on for the future. These include the development of self-driving cars through its subsidiary, Waymo, and the creation of a high-speed internet service, Google Fiber. The company is also investing in artificial intelligence and machine learning, with the goal of creating more advanced and intelligent products and services. Google has come a long way since its founding in 1998. The company has become a giant in the technology industry, thanks to its innovative products and services. Google's success is largely due to its ability to generate revenue through advertising, and its future success will likely depend on its ability to continue innovating and creating new products and services that meet the needs of its customers.